Naksh Jaipur are here at Beyond Gallery from the 27th to the 30th of September with their finest cotton collection, जिसमें आपको ये skirts मिलने वाले हैं at 650 rupees. They also have semi-festive, festive looks in different patterns and colors and so many options. कुछ casual and routine wear भी मिलने वाला है आपको, जिसमें बहुत सारे options हैं. They have a lot of collection. To check out the collection in detail, swipe left. In this particular section, we are going to show you few options of dupattas. उनके पास और भी options हैं. So look at that. These are pure cotton, beautiful soft fabric. Look at that. With block prints on them, different prints, and they all have something different in them. Indigo is the most beautiful color. Look at that. Pink and white. Beautiful. If you want पूरा black में आपको चाहिए तो ये भी option है. Something like this with a bandhani border. They have color options in blue and pink. They have something like this. They also have something very simple yet very pretty and soft. So this is their new collection. इसमें भी काफ़ी smart pieces हैं. ये भी आपको pants के साथ मिल जाएंगे. Comfortable pieces हैं क्योंकि cotton है, वो भी finest cotton है. They are here all the way from Jaipur, so do check them out. Look at that. बहुत सारा collection है उनके पास, colors का, designs का. Even the दुपट्टा is so beautiful. उसमें tassels भी लगे हुए हैं नीचे. ये देखिए. Smart color combinations, beautiful. If you want something simple, subtle, they have options for that also. Look at that. Wow. All right. Yellows and whites. Wow, pura white. Beautiful. उसमें भी colors हैं. Okay, so in this particular section हम थोड़े से festive looks cover करेंगे. Look at that butter yellow and ivory color dresses, beautiful pattern के साथ उसके neck में. Look at that. पूरा शरारा set के साथ चंदेरी पे है. This is very pretty. Color options also you're going to get lot of options in patterns and designs also. Sizes भी आपको मिल जाएंगी. Wow, lovely. Okay, loving the red and orange, and they have something like this also. So very different collection. Look at that. Very festive, semi-festive दोनों में आप use कर सकते हैं. Lovely. In this section, we are going to cover quad sets, set options, pants and kurta options. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सुंदर options मिल जाएंगे with pants. All of them. Look at that. Wow, very pretty. All right, look at that. Smart pieces. उसमें भी आपको colors, designs, patterns, सब कुछ अलग-अलग variations में मिल जाएगा. Look at that. Very pretty. Beautiful. Alright, so in this particular section we are showing you options of shirts and kurtas and kaftans. Look at that. You are going to find a lot of patterns, comfortable patterns. Beautiful options of kurtas. Look at that. जो आप अपनी daily routine wear में comfortably पहन सकते हैं और बहुत सारे patterns के साथ आप पहन सकते हो. Look at that. The fabric is very soft, so you don't have to worry at all. Kaftans में उनके पास बहुत सुंदर options हैं. Blue में हैं. They have something like grey and rust color as well. Look at that. Whites, layered dresses हैं उनके पास. Something very different collection. Look at that. इसमें भी आपको color options, patterns, designs सब कुछ मिलने वाला है. Skirts also, pick any skirt for 650 rupees. So I think that's a great deal. इस particular section में pants दिखा रहे हैं हम आपको. तो यहाँ पे आपको cotton pants के options मिल जाएंगे. ये कुछ skirts के भी options हैं. Something similar to what I am wearing. Look at that. Very comfortable. Dress materials भी है उनके पास पूरा. Look at that. Very pretty. उसमें भी आपको ऑप्शंस बहुत सारे मिलने वाले हैं। लवली। सो इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन ये पूरा कलेक्शन जो आप देख रहे हैं ये सारा अप टू 30% ऑफ में आपको मिल जाएगा। इसमें आपको कुर्ताज है, पैंट्स हैं, शॉर्ट कुर्ताज हैं, यू नो यू विल गेट 1 पीसेस के ऑप्शंस, बहुत सारा कलेक्शन है इसमें। दिस एंटायर सेक्शन is up to 30% off and it's a good deal. I'll show you once again, starting from here to the end of the rack. Everything that you see is up to 30%.